name's Tim and I'm the Carriage and Wagon Workshop Superintendent here at Refurbishing Railway. I've been involved with Refurbishing for about 9 years now. Started off as a volunteer in 2011. I've trained as a guard, signalman, shunter, fireman and also a hostler steam driver now. So we have 2 workshops at Refurbishing. We have one at Wagon where we undertake all the repairs, restoration and maintenance of our steam and diesel locomotives. We also undertake most of our heavy engineering work there. The second workshop, which you can see behind me, is our Carriage and Wagon workshop, where we undertake maintenance, repairs, restoration of our heritage carriage and wagon fleet, as well as building new rolling stock as required. Hopefully you can hear me over all the noise in the background. So this is the woodwork side of our workshop. We've got 2 sides. We do the woodwork and painting one side, and then we carry out the mechanical work on the other side. So here we've got carriages that are coming in for maintenance and just attention while the railway's closed, and taking the opportunity to get as much maintenance and repair work done as we can. Alright, so this is the mechanical side of the workshop. All our rolling stock goes through a preventive maintenance program, so every year it comes up to Emerald Workshop for what we call a lift or exam. So we bring the carriage in, we raise it up, take the wheel sets, the bogies out from underneath, service them, maintain them, make sure they're ready to go again and they're safe and sound to operate for the next 12 months. Working for a project to build 12 new MBH style carriages for Refurbishing. Currently got 4 in traffic at the moment. This is the 5th one, so we're working on fitting out all the undergear and getting all the metalwork ready before we start fitting the timberwork, floors, the wall panels and things like that. Once the mechanical work's finished, it probably takes about 6 weeks for the timberwork and the painting. So we fit the floors, fit all the walls and the end panels, doors and the windows, fit the seats, and then there's all the painting to be done as well. The carriages are all designed to look like original MBH style carriages. They're all painted in the same heritage colours, so they fit in with the fleet. Like I said before, we maintain our carriages on an annual basis. Each one comes into this road here. We've got electric hoists there that allow us to lift the carriages up when we need to maintain them. Each carriage sits on a pair of these bogies. So we take the bogies out every year, strip them down, clean them, check all the components. All the critical parts are crack tested to ensure there's no cracks or fatigue, cracking or anything in them. And they're repainted and reassembled, ready to go back under the carriage. All these bogies here were built by the Victorian Railways probably 110 years ago. So the ones that we're building for our new carriage project are probably the first ones that have been built in, I'd say, probably 100 years at least. We've got NERT, as it's usually known, NRT1, which is our rail tractor. NERT lives at Emerald generally and is used for shunting carriages in and out of the workshops for doing maintenance. So it plays quite a critical role in us being able to do our work here. Carriages need to come in obviously for maintenance and go back out again, ready to be picked up by the passenger train as they come through. So it's a pretty vital piece of machinery for us to have here. And then just over here we've got our wheel lathe as well, which we use for turning tyres and turning wheels. We've got wheel sets down here that may need turning. So this is a carriage wheel tyre. Most people don't realise that railway wheels actually have tyres on. They're just made of metal rather than rubber. So the wheel set without the tyres would look something like this. We actually heat the tyres up with an electric heater so that they expand enough, and then they're slid over the wheel centres, and as they cool they shrink, and creates a shrink fit that stops the tyres coming off the wheels. Once the tyres get worn out, we cut them off and